Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I will be doing a DIY project on redoing this beautiful mirror. You guys, I've had this mirror for a few years now. However, I'm loving the mirror and I'm really not ready to part ways with it. So I have learned to shop my home and just redo things. As you guys can see, this is a beautiful mirror, but it has some greens, some browns, or some kind of red tones to it. And I'm really not wanting to get rid of my mirror. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to repurpose or revamp this same mirror. I have learned over some time that you don't necessarily have to go out and buy all things new all the time. You can always shop your home, give it a fresh paint of spray paint, honey, and have that thing looking like it's a new item that you bought from Home Goods or at home or wherever you shop and get your decorations from. You don't always have to break the bank to look good. So we like to ball on a budget over here. All right, so I'm in Lowe's and I'm looking for a matte black to do my mirror with, and I see this matte paint and primer here, $5.98. They said it's a farmhouse black, and then they've got this one right here. What is this? The satin black. I don't know if I want this kind of black. Do I want satin? I don't know if I want satin or not. Black, satin, black, flat. What's the difference between the two? This is black. This is black. Let's see. Definitely not this, because that's too glossy, that's too shiny, so no to that. I'm really liking this matte finish, farmhouse black. And then, yeah, I'm thinking I'm liking this matte farmhouse black. Let's see what else they've got. Don't need texture. No gloss. What is this? Satin, all-in-one paint and primer. I don't think I like that one either. I think I'm gonna stick to this farmhouse black. Matte paint and primer, all in one, any surface, any angle. Alright guys, as you guys can see, when I say I took what I got and used what I got to make it work and make it work for me, honey, I took an old box that was just laying in the corner, ripped that thing up just so I could cover the middle part, the mirror itself, and I'm using this painter's tape to cover the mirror so I can, so I won't damage the mirror part as bad. So honey, you better use what you got, honey. I'm using what I got to make it do what it do, boo. right, guys, as you guys can see, I did get a little paint or spray paint on the mirror itself, but that's okay. That is a-okay. Ain't nothing with a little awesome and some Windex can't cure. Okay, baby, we got to make it do what it do around here, because why? We like the ball on a budget. So I'm just gonna go through real quick with some awesome and some Windex and scrape, or not necessarily scrape, but just wipe off the spray paint that got on the mirror itself. But overall, I think it came out beautifully. I have learned over time to not necessarily to go out and buy everything new all the time. You know, I just learned to shop my home and just repurpose a lot of items. So if you're in the process of redoing your home and you don't want to go out and spend a lot of money, don't spend all your stimulus on redoing your house. If you got some stuff in your house and you just want to redo a refresh, ain't nothing with a fresh coat of paint won't redo, honey. Y'all better save the coins, do some investing. But anyway, who are me to judge? Okay. But anyway, hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are oldie but a goodie, hashtag in the comments. Not now, but right now. Right now. Oldie but a goodie. Make sure you keep looking good. Make sure you keep smelling good, you guys. And I'll see y'all on tomorrow with another video. What? I'll see y'all on another video. Bye.